Okay then, Bim, we've got something exciting here, which is a safety items for doing gardening work. It's not PPE as such, because it's a mesh, but it's ideal for stopping bits of crap going in your head. Also, we've got some ear guards as well. Oh, it's all gone very weird. Ooh, echo. Right, this is the face mask holder. So I assume we turn these sideways and then they slot in. Do they? I don't know. Don't read instructions, I'm a bloke. And then you turn them back again. Like that. And then you go, turn that one sideways, that one sideways, and that one sideways. And lo and behold, turn that the wrong way. So there you go. It's your PPE. I feel like I'm a beekeeper now, don't I? Right, this must clip onto here somehow. Because what are them clips for? What's that pointing at? The thing there. You clip that in. Clip that in. There, how? Huh? Oh, it needs some detailing. Right, do they? Oh. I'm reading the Polish instructions instead of English instructions. I just don't know how that works, because do it that way it would work, wouldn't it? Would it? I don't know. Is there a picture on the front? Shows what it looks like. I'll be back in a bit. Sussed it, I think. That there clips in there like that, and clips up. There you go, clips in. And then you do the same on the other side. So it's a clip. You see it? Where is it? There it is. Clip there, and then there's a flat bit on the actual band, and that slips inside, I think. Well, it seems to fit anyway, so there we go. And there we go. We're ready to trim and chop and cut and do stuff. Yeah. That better? Yeah. So there you go. And it's not actually too uncomfortable. I don't normally have to like things over my face, but this is alright. Anyway, thanks for watching. You did, you still are. Until next time, be seeing you.